Luxembourg is expected to trigger its next wage indexation by late June. Once triggered, salaries and pensions will increase by 2.5%. Hello, I'm Sasha for RTL Today and RTL Today Radio. And here are the 5 news stories we'd like to tell you about at the end of this week. The Education Ministry has unveiled new plans to strengthen inclusion in primary schools with expanded support for pupils with special needs. The state bank Spurkes has closed accounts belonging to the International Criminal Court, citing concerns over US sanctions. Opposition parties have criticised the move, accusing the government of bowing to American pressure. A US court has found Meta and YouTube liable for harming a teenage user's mental health through addictive platform design, awarding $6 million in damages. And Hungary's Prime Minister Viktor Orban has announced plans to cut gas supplies to Ukraine, escalating tensions between the two countries. The weekly recap is out every Friday. Check it out on rtltoday.lu alongside lots of other news, entertainment stories and what's on this weekend in the Berg.